new solution of a system theory, new solution of system theory, and quantum gravity and the inverse, which is the main solution of rapidly expanding of the universe. New solution of a system theory and quantum gravity and the inverse, which is the main solution of rapidly expanding of the universe. I have explained the general relativity of mistake of Einstein. The universe is expanding rapidly. The universe is expanding rapidly. There is as much as matter, dark matter, normal matter, dark energy, according to is equal to M.Sc square. Is equal to M.Sc square. Is equal to M.Sc square is equal to the energy and mass C, the velocity of photon particle. After Big Bang, 13.80 billion years, the universe is rapidly expanding. Suppose the Big Bang starting here and then expanding such. And rapidly. According to is equal to M.Sc square, dark energy, dark matter, normal matter, universe must be constructed. But not rapidly expanded. Why? I have analyzed it. After Big Bang, 13.73 billion years, the universe is rapidly expanding. A total solar eclipse where the moon completely blocked the sun, dips continue a shadow on Earth. The sun and the earth. This is the moon. When Albert Einstein invented generally, he had said that when the total solar eclipse, when the moon completely blocked the disk, then besides the stars, the sun, the star starts bending the light. I mean curve. But why curve? Because curve, there is an interaction. What? Between interaction between photon particles. I mean light particles with and graviton particles. Okay? Why? Suppose the matter, upward, downward. I mean proton. Okay? And downward, upward. Proton decay. Why decay? The upward spin, I mean 1/3, so plus and repulsion, there is a graviton particles. and outward graviton particles and graviton particles and graviton particles. There's a gravity. Graviton particles upward secretion in the graviton particle and it is absorbed downward upward secretion the graviton downward with the gravity. But two graviton particles is outer and this interact with light or photon particle. The starlight photon particle velocity Mardika, but I am Bireshwar from of chemistry. But why the photon particle velocity Mardika? Because the injection between the photon particle and graviton particle, which are created from the photon decay. In photon decay, Albert Einstein was mistake. First and foremost mistake that there is no particles in the is much more faster than photon particles. But I have invented the graviton particle is much more faster than photon particles. Graviton particles is much more faster than graviton particles. And there's the interaction. Schrodinger equation. Schrodinger equation. Schrodinger, this is the interaction. And Schrodinger equation, eigenvalue x at ECX and BECX. A is a curve. There's a A. A is a A. And there's a and there's a B. There's a suppose photon particles and graviton particles A. B. P photon particles Z graviton particles. There's a difference. Now I have to analyze suppose XP photon particle. A is a common C P X P B P minus and is C P X P. Okay. Then suppose A equal to 0, then X P equal to BP equal to E C P X P. Then photon S0 equal to X Z and BZ ECZ XZ. Okay. Now I have to calculate that XP XZ B Z and E C P X P and E C Z X Z. Now I have to calculate BZR BBZR. X P X Z Okay, and B and BZ. There, if we calculate the is just tends to 1, then is equal to this there, and C P X P. Now I have to it is over E C Z X Z P C P X P. Okay, and there's a 1 or E C P X P E C Z X Z. Okay, then C P X P C Z X Z. Now my question: what is CP? What is CZ? C is equal to C P C Z is equal to twice M U minus C by H by constant. Okay. Now there's a injection was is what is the CPCZ? CP is suppose there is an injection. There is a graviton particles and there is a photon particle. There. There is an injection. Then Z, I mean MZ, and injection then U minus E, and it is also minus, and MP U minus E, and with a minus. I have to calculate that part. So MP U minus E and H and XP and MC U minus E and H and X Z. Okay. Now we have to maintain that what is the MZ and what is the MC MP. MP is equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 18 EV, and there U minus is equal to minus 6 into 10 to the power minus 18 EV. Then MZ and minus U minus E MZ minus 6 minus 6 into 6 into 10 to the minus 33 EV. Okay, there we have to calculate another equation. Suppose so into 6 into 10 to the minus 18. Okay, and U minus A minus 6 into 10 to the minus 18. Okay, and there's the edge cutting. We have to cutting edge and exit, exit, and then the 2 minus 6 into 10 to the minus 33, 33, and minus 6 into 10 to the minus 33. Okay, and H and there exit and exit. Now go to cutting 2, 2, 6, 6, 6 minus 6 minus, and then we have to calculate what? 10 to the minus 18 minus 10 to the minus 18, 10 to the minus 18, and h cutting, then exit. What is the exit? Exit is the CP, the velocity of photon particles, and T, time. And there is a 10 to the minus 33 into exit. Exit is equal to C the graviton particle and T, the time. Now we have to maintain that calculated what? KT cutting CZ, and then 10 to the minus 18 CP is equal to 3 to 10 to the minus 10 to the 8, and just sign to 10 to the minus 33, 33. Then 10 to the minus 3 to 10 to the minus 23 meter per second, approximate. Now there is a we have to calculate Friedman equation. We have to calculate Friedman equation. Okay. We have to calculate Friedman equation. So, what is the Friedman equation? Suppose old Friedman equation, we have to not write pi, z, rho, and 0, then 3, 5, then 8, pi, z, rho, r, 0, t square, then 1 by k s square, c square. All is the KCP whole square, KCP whole square. But we have to write KCZ whole square. Okay, and then 8 by Z CP4 and 3